Welcome. In this quick and easy guide, I'll show you exactly how to send a GIF on WhatsApp Web using the newest update step by step. If you love expressing yourself with fun animations or reactions, this is going to make your chats a lot more exciting. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to WhatsApp Web. Make sure your phone is connected to the internet and already linked to your computer. You'll see all your recent conversations appear just like on your phone. It's simple and clean, and that's one of the best things about using WhatsApp on a PC. Now, click on the chat where you want to send your GIF. It could be a friend, a group, or even your family chat. Once the conversation is open, look at the bottom right corner of the message bar. You'll see a small smiley face icon. That's where all your emojis and GIFs are hiding. Go ahead and click on that smiley face. A new box will pop up with 3 sections: emojis, stickers, and GIFs. Click on the GIFs tab, which you'll usually find on the far right. The tab might show a little preview of trending GIFs. That's your gateway to endless options. Take a moment to scroll or use the search bar to find the perfect reaction or funny animation you'd like to share. You can type in words like happy, laugh, excited, or anything that fits the mood. Once you find the one you love, all you need to do is press on the GIF. Instantly, it will appear in your chat, ready to send. Before you hit enter, you can even add a quick message or caption if you want. Then simply send it and your GIF will appear in the conversation crisp, clean, and perfectly looped. And that's it. You've just learned how to send a GIF on WhatsApp Web using the new update. It's fast, fun, and the perfect way to add emotion or humor to your messages. Try it out right now and make your chats come alive.